I'm looking toe up. By the head, toe up. But that's okay, because I'm about to get it right, and y'all about to get right with me. So, hey, MB crew. Want to be here. So, welcome back to the channel. So, before we get into the video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video. You know, turn on your post notifications. Come to the channel and check every so often to see if I post a new video, because y'all know what YouTube got going on lately. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my new channel, which is my vlog channel, Life as Mona B, where I share the behind the scenes of my life. So you definitely want to check that channel out. It will be linked in the description box below. And last but not least, make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram. That is Mona X Banks. So I know y'all like, Mona, we want to see your afro. So this is the aftermath of me doing that braid tutorial. Yeah, I was gonna wear my braid a little bit longer, but a few nights ago, my scarf came off in my head. Y'all see what happened? So I'm just knocked out sleep. Scarf just off. Yeah, don't y'all hate when that happen? So I'm gonna wash my hair and deep condition my hair and everything, and I'm gonna do that with you guys today. Now I know I said I wasn't doing no more product reviews. I know, but sometimes, I don't know, I don't want to keep using the same product. So I was like, well, I guess I'm going to be doing product reviews again. That's okay. I can change my mind, right? I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I'm going to be using these products today. This is the brand, the makers of the Got To Be Glue, but I do not know how to pronounce the name. So I was like, let me look it up on YouTube. Y'all know y'all can look up how to pronounce stuff on YouTube. So let's all listen to know how to pronounce it, because I don't know how to pronounce it.
Schwarzkopf.
Schwarzkopf?
Schwarzkopf.
Schwarzkopf. I still can't say it. So that's how you pronounce it. They are the makers of the Got To Be Glue. I'm pretty sure you guys know that they do have other hair care products as well. And they have the Smooth and Shine Fine Botanicals Oils, Camilla Oil, and Shea Butter. They have the Quench and Co-Wash. They do have a full line. I didn't buy everything from the line because I wasn't interested in everything from the line. There is one other product that I probably am going to pick up from the line, but I just got these two for today. So I got the Quench and Co-Wash. And this claims to helps repair dry and damaged hair, moisturize conditions hair, and helps detangle and prevent frizz. This is a co-wash. And then I also got the Deep Recovery Treatment that helps, it does the same thing. It helps repair dry and damaged hair. So yes, and this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these. They're at Family Dollars. They were actually on sale at Family Dollars for $3. So I was like, let me go ahead and pick them up. I've been seeing it. These been out for a while. I seen them when they first came out, and I've been meaning. I think a few of y'all asked me to review this or show this or try it on my hair. Y'all want to see how it works. So I'm going to be using these two today. I am going to be shampooing my hair though, because I do have a lot of old gel in my hair. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is shampoo my hair first, and then we're just going to go straight into doing the treatment, because I have low porosity hair, if you guys do not know, and that means that it takes a while for moisture to get into my strands. It takes a while to get my hair moisturized, and if you have high porosity hair, that means that your hair, it drinks the moisture quick. But my hair, y'all, I will put product on my hair and it will literally just sit on the top of my hair. I'm pretty sure the OG MB crew members, y'all know, y'all done heard me talk about this before. So I need to deep condition my hair. We're in winter. My hair is extremely dry. My hair is dry anyways, to be honest, y'all. Y'all know I talk about this all the time. I have to go overkill to moisturize my hair. So yeah, and this is my hair before. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, wash it and get it together. So I just washed my hair. Now, as you guys know, I had a lot of gel in my hair from doing that style. So I want to make sure you guys understand this. Please shampoo your hair after you use gel. Do not just co-wash your hair. No. You need to get all of that gel and stuff off of your scalp, because gel has a tendency to hold on to your scalp and your hair. So you definitely want to make sure you guys are shampooing your hair. I know a lot of us was led to believe that shampooing your hair is not good. Natural shouldn't shampoo the hair, but you definitely should. I was led to believe that once upon a time. But I am an avid shampoo washer. I make sure I wash my hair with shampoo when I wash my hair. Now, there is sometimes where I only will co-wash if I feel like my hair isn't too dirty. But when my hair is dirty, you need a good washing. Co-washing is not going to help you. Putting conditioner on top of your hair is not going to suffice on top of dirty hair. So I did use the Aussie Moist shampoo, and I did go ahead and wash my hair. And then I'm just using a t-shirt. I like to use t-shirts because they don't snag my hair, and they do get a lot of the water out. Which is cool, especially like when I'm gonna be deep conditioning my hair and things like that, or I'm gonna be styling my hair. I don't always like to style my hair when it is dripping, soaking wet. So here is my hair, as y'all can see. So yeah, I do still have some y'all know, I will link the video in the description box when I cut the color off of my hair, and I went ahead and put a rinse over my hair because there was still some teal parts, and obviously I didn't want those to be showing. But if you watch the video, you'll know what I'm talking about. So my rinse is kind of fading a little bit, so now I kind of have like these light brown highlights, which I'm not mad at. I think it looks really cute. I don't know if y'all can tell. Y'all probably can't tell on the camera, but yes. So I am going to go ahead and go in with the recovery treatment, and it is for all hair types. It claims that it has no sulfates in it. The first ingredient on here is water. So yeah. It says apply generously to wet hair, working from the root to tip. Leave in hair for best results. Leave in. Oh, so you're not supposed to wash this out? See, I haven't watched any reviews on this or anything, so I don't know nothing about this. Oh, well, it's saying you're supposed to leave this in. I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'm gonna cold wash, but that's just what I'm gonna do. You can, I'm sure you probably can leave it in. And as you guys can see, it's a thick consistency. So it is on the thicker side. And it looks like that. Ooh. I got it on my lip. It smells really fragrancy. It smells like, oh my gosh, this smells like White Diamond's perfume. Oh my gosh, wow. It is thick. It is really thick and creamy. It smells like White Diamonds. I promise y'all, this is what this smells like. I'm gonna be smelling like diamonds, okay? So weird, I've never smelled a hair product that smells like white diamonds. Somebody's grandma, aunt, or somebody wears white diamonds in your family. I know y'all know what white diamonds smell like. It is a thicker consistency, so I don't necessarily, do they mean like leave in or wash out? Because I don't really understand. I am using a generous amount. I don't understand how you would leave this in unless you're using just a teeny bit of it. It's reminding me of the Queen Helen, like how it feels on my hands and in my hair. Y'all know how like the Queen Helen can feel like a little stiff. Y'all know what I'm saying. I think y'all know what I mean. I hope y'all know what I mean. I think that should be good. It feels good though on my hair. And I'm just gonna make sure I get some on the tippy top of my ends. I feel like you get a good amount of product. Now, if you have super long natural hair, then I don't know how you gonna feel about it. But, because I know a lot of you guys that watch my channel, you guys have a longer natural hair. So, I don't know if you guys will feel like this is a lot of product. But you get 10 fluid ounces. But, for my little bitty head, this works great for me. So, I'm just going to go ahead and use this Platinum Deep Conditioning Cap. Since I don't have like my hooded dryer with me, so I'm just going to be using this. And it just says, you know, leave on your hair for 15 to 20 minutes. But I'm probably going to deep condition longer than that because it's been a while since I've deep conditioned, literally. And I know my hair is dying. Like, why are you doing this to me? This is my first time actually using one of these. I've never used one of these. Normally, I legit just sit under the dryer, y'all. So this is going to be interesting to see if it really heats up. Are you supposed to reuse this or do you throw it away? But I don't even know. I don't really like using caps. I don't know. I don't like how they feel. I look like the Tin Man from The Wizard of Oz. 312. I probably won't rinse this out until maybe like 4. Yeah, I'll probably rinse it out at like 4:12. So about an hour. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. It is 4:08. So, it's 4:08. I'm back a little bit earlier, but it's okay. So the cap is bomb. It actually works. My head is warm, and it feels really nice and warm and toasty. I think I'm gonna reuse this. I'm just gonna clean out the inside. Hey, but yeah. So, I got a few little strings from the cap, But my hair is warm. It's so weird, y'all. Like, I know y'all probably like, girl, we done already used this. We've been using these. But I normally just sit under the dryer. So I would like to see what this would be like if you deep condition with that on your head overnight. I'm going to try it. Let me know if y'all want to see that. I shampooed my hair, as you guys know. And I'm going to use the quenching co-wash. And I'm going to come back and let y'all know how I feel about it. And show y'all my hair and give y'all my final thoughts. But this is the consistency of it. It's weird. It looks more, I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but on the camera it looks tan. This one don't smell like white diamond to me. Okay, yes, I'm back. So, as far as the deep recovery treatment, absolutely love this, love this, love this. My hair feels amazing from it. But as soon as I got in the shower, you know, let the shower get steamy. And I went ahead and rinsed this out. And y'all, my hair feels amazing. It feels so hydrated, so soft as soon as I rinsed it out. So I actually really, really like this. I'm not sure what it says about leave in, but you definitely can rinse it out and you'll get great results. So I do like this for my hair. I feel like this will definitely be a staple. It's affordable and it gets the job done. It's not too it is on the thicker side, but I'm telling y'all, like, it does the job. Like, it really locks in the moisture in your hair. So I absolutely love this. Now, as far as the quenching co-wash, I definitely can live without this. I don't necessarily need it. After I rinsed out my hair is still really soft and it feels hydrated. But after I rinsed out the recovery treatment, I did use this. And now I will say about this does have a lather to it, which is cool. So it's kind of giving me like a cross between a shampoo and a conditioner. Now it does work. It gets the job done. Your hair is going to be squeaky clean. But I don't necessarily feel like this is a necessity. Like, I have to have this. Now, this one, I feel like I will be fiending for this. Like, I'll be running to the store, getting this, getting multiple bottles of this one. But not so much of the co-washing. Like, it didn't give me a wow factor. Like, my hair is squeaky clean. But I don't know. Like, it just didn't give me like, oh my gosh. But it did work. But I could definitely live without it. But this is definitely my holy grail. Well, will be one of my holy grails. I do like this. So hopefully this motivates me to deep condition my hair more often because my hair feels amazing. So let me know if you guys have tried any more products from the Smooth and Shine collection. Let me know what products are your favorite because they do have more products of these. But those are the ones that kind of just like caught my eye. I only usually buy products like that I'm drawn to. I don't buy the whole product line straight away because then it's like, what if I don't like it? You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair and show y'all how I do that. So I'm just going to take my pick and I'm just going to pick out my TWA, my little fro. Y'all, my little fro is flourishing. It's so crazy because like a few months ago, like this, I didn't have no hair on the sides of my head. It's so crazy how hair grows. But anyways. So I am going to go ahead and go in. Lately I like to do this first. I like to moisturize my scalp first. And so I just have some castor oil in here. And I am just going to, you know, put the castor oil all over my, my hairline. So I like to make sure I put it on my hairline because my hairline will get really dry. And as you guys know, castor oil promotes hair growth. And castor oil is one of my favorite oils. Y'all have to let me know what y'all favorite oils are. So then I'm just going to literally like massage that into my head. Ooh, feels good. But yeah, I love castor oil. Now, when my hair is longer, I normally just concentrate it on my scalp. But since my hair is longer, it's going to get on my hair. I mean, since my hair is shorter, it is going to get on my hair strands. So it just is what it is. So yes, make sure I put that. And as of lately, I've either been just using Blue Magic. I'm going to be honest, because my hair has been so like, I don't know, the winter is like really taking my hair through it. So this, y'all know Blue Magic is going to seal the moisture up in your head. No doubt about it. So so I have been using this. And I've been loving using my pink oil moisturizer. We all know about pink lotion. But they've been working for me. But before I actually put any of that in, I am going to put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. My bottle is completely botched, as you guys can see. Usually with the, hold on, y'all. Usually with the Blue Magic, you don't necessarily have to because Blue Magic is going to get you right. but I do like to use a leave-in. But yeah, I'm just going to put about that much all over my head. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. Today, I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit of the Luster's Pink. Just a little bit because my hair is pretty moist already. So about that much. And don't sleep on the old school products. Remember, before we didn't have all these fancy smancy natural hair products. And I was like, I had forgot about them. And they work just as good. So my hair is nice and hydrated. Y'all, it feels so great. And then I just like to pick out my fro. And then from here, I would just go ahead and style my hair however, but I'm not going to style my hair in this video. You guys have to stay tuned for the next video. You guys will see me style my hair. So make sure y'all check that video out. It should be out like a few days after this video. So this is my hair. So let me get up close for y'all. She's moisturized. And she's growing. My scalp is nice and moist. My ears are greasy, but my hair feels great. It's really hydrated. The moisture is locked and sealed up in my head. And I am here for it. Yes. Yes. So that's basically what I've been doing, y'all. I just wanted to try those products. They were on, I don't know if they're going to be on sale at your local Family Dollars, but they were on sale at mine. Someone would probably ask me like, how many times do I moisturize my hair? Average, I might do it 3 times a week, but usually when I do my wash routine the right way, because I don't always do it the right way, I can go without just moisturizing my hair for 2 times a week. So I'll probably go a few days without moisturizing it, but we'll see. If I feel like it needs more moisture, then I just add a little bit of products. But I do not switch the products. So whatever products I use on my wash day, I'm going to stick with those products. I'm not going to switch up on it because then I'm going to get product buildup. And that's definitely not what you want. You don't want that. And as far as washing your hair, when you should wash your hair, right now my hair is short. So I've been washing my hair once a week. Sometimes I do go in the wintertime without washing my hair for like a month. But on a regular, I usually, because right now I'm filming a lot of hair tutorials and stuff like that, but this doesn't count for me right now. On average, I wash my hair twice a month. That's what I would recommend for you guys to do. Wash your hair twice a month. As my hair grows out, y'all will see I only wash my hair twice a month. Twice a month, that's the best thing for me. But since I have been doing a lot of hair tutorials, I wash my hair a little bit more frequently. But I don't recommend you guys to do that. Try to wash your hair just twice a month, okay? Twice a month. But if you are going to be doing styles with gel, try to do those styles on the 2nd week before you're about to wash your hair. So do those styles like right before you're going to wash your hair. That way you're not like just constantly washing your hair. You get what I'm saying? So yes, y'all, that is my current winter wash routine. Wanted to try out these products. Okay. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one when I'm styling my hair. Bye.